Rizal Technological University, Cultura Rizalia Dance Troupe. for Artist Connection Exude Dancers.
This afternoon. Very excited. So ano naman ang preparation na ginawa nyo para may pasabog kayo at naka-road kayo, ah?
I mean, we only have less than 2 weeks to prepare for this piece, and we will bring everything like on the stage. Let's go!
So ready na ba kayo? Are you really guys ready? Alright, okay.
Introducing from Iris, Manila, Foxy Ladies!
Oh, that's the way we do. Let's do stuff. That's a good job in the city. Working for the man every night and day. I never lost one. I'm happy to give.
Hi! Wow! Blue! Glittering blue. Ano pangalan mo?
James,
James, kumusta naman ang pa-costume? Sila kaisip ng concept na to.
Coach Jones po.
Bakit ganitong costume nyo? Anong preparation ang ginamit nyo? Or sinong inspiration? Or
Inspiration po talaga number one is yung second piece po na outfit. Tapos, sequence din po kasi gusto po kong second piece.
okay ba lahat ng mga ginagawa nyo? I mean, di ba kayo nahirapan, conceptualize?
Yung conceptualize naman po, hindi mo po mawala din yung struggles. Yung ano lang po, paano yung mga perform tsaka mga perform struggles na. Ayun yung hindi na po.
Kaya kabugin, yung iba.
Kaya?
Yes! Alright! Thank you, James.
From Iris, Manila, Red Fox Dance Company!
naman?
Very excited po and sobrang excited na kami makita sa kanila yung pinaganda namin.
Ang ganda ng costume mo, ha? Parang may pagka Mad Max Venom, Santo, Daredevil. May kinalaman ba yan sa inyong choreography?
Yes po, kasi ito po choreography namin and ito costume. This is an embodiment of kapag pinaghalo ang modern elements of fashion sa disco.
I love it! Disco. Di ba, Joss? Disco talagang uso noon during the 70s. Okay, I think they're ready.
From Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Ace Prime Dancers!
Okay, anong preparasyon o gaano kahaba yung preparasyon na binuo ninyo or ginugol nyo for this competition?
Siguro po mga 1 month po. Kasi yung struggle po, pinagsasabay po namin yung school, work, tsaka po yung passion namin pagsasayaw.
So, mga anong araw, mga anong oras kayo nag-rehearse?
9 to 12 po, kasi yun po yung pinaka-available ng lahat po kami. 9 to 12. Yes, sir.
Iba nga lang yung schedules ninyo. Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you, Liam. Bye! Hindi na kayo pa.
From Vilma St. Jude College, Undefined Crew!
captain, ikaw rin ba ang choreographer ng grupo?
One of the choreographers po, kasama ko yung mga co-choreographers ko.
Oo, asan? Kaway-kaway ang mga choreographer. Ang dami nyo ha. Okay, I see gold and violet purple. Purple. Ano meron? Ba't ganito? At saan nyo kinuha yung ganitong color?
This color theme, alam namin na kapag disco kasi is more on silver, more on gold. So nag-isip kami ng color na magpapop sa mata ng mga audience and judge. And here it is. And abangan nyo pa, hindi pa dyan magtatapos yan. Abangan nyo later.
May pasabog din pala. Matagal ba ang preparation? Gaano? Isa kasi, isang buwan ang preparation daw. Kayo naman.
More 5 months yung preparation. Pinagmitingan namin from line-up, costume, theme, hanggang mag-come up kami into this school.
School?
Siyempre naman po, nakakapasok pa rin naman po yung mga estudyante dito. And alam ko mga president lister ito.
Thank you very much.
And your next team from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, move to the groove!
One, two, three, four. Hi! Ang cute naman ang outfit niyo. Parang it reminds me of a diner na may roller skates pa. Okay. What's your name? Ash. Short for Ashley. Okay. So Ash, bakit ganito yung inyong costume?
Actually, you're definitely right because today is the grand opening of Nexus Diner. feel namin na masaserve namin lahat ng menu for today. And let's see.
Talaga meron pa speech. Teka muna, mahirap ba or matagal ba ang preparation na ginamit nyo when it comes to your choreography and then yung pagko-conceptualize ng inyong outfit today?
That's actually next is very creative group. So with creativity, hindi kami nahihirapan, but with preparation, since we're all students, that's the biggest obstacle na kinaharap namin. So I think that's it.
I'm sure everyone are all excited to see you perform. So,
And their last team to perform for today, from the University of Makati, Nexus!
Welcome to Nexus Diet. Here's the menu. What's your order? Here's your order.
Give me a night at the midnight. It's not a soul out there. I want to be in my
Time to tidy up. Thank you for that news.
Let's give it up for Nexus! So, at 8th place, with an average score of 79.67 from Rizal Technological University, Kulturalaya Dance Troupe!
as you can see, fresh na fresh kaninang pumasok ang ating mga judges. Ngayon, para magpapakonsulta sila sa isang psychologist. Ganon kahirap, hindi totoo na naman. Congratulations, guys. We're back in place. And you'll also be receiving gift packs from our sponsors. Ganon attitude. Congratulations, guys. This time, guys,
Announcing the 7th place.
the 7th place. place.
Parang sayo ko dun.
Okay. With an average score of 88% from the University of Makati, Nexus! Come up on stage! Para
Congratulations,
everyone
guys!
give a round of
Nexus from the University of Makati.
Nexus!
Ash, this is your certificate. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Alright, at 6th place, with an average score of 88.03, which beat the other team by 0.03. From Famous Century College, Undefined Crew!
Ang mga Copacabana boys. Thank you, thank you. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. And now, the fifth placer.
This is 5th place, with an average score of 89.67. Who is it? From Iris, Manila, Red Fox Dance Company!
Fox. Asa na yung movie? Okay. Congratulations, guys. Garnered 90% is from FUIT. Congratulations, guys. This is your result and the certificate. Okay. Guys, handle them the certificate. Sorry, excuse me. Also, maraming salamat, guys. Alright, those remaining three teams, can we have you again on stage? Those remaining three teams. Yung hindi pa natatawag you all. Please come na kayo. Sino pa yung dalawang teams? Hindi tayo sa side. Baka makakita na na start. Kahit sa kanila ba ka? Please, dancers, Foxy ladies, and yeah. saglit. Please give our second placer, Foxy Ladies, their time to shine. Anong assessment mo?
Well, yung ating competition, it was really tough to choose, but nag-usap-usap kami mga judges. We sorted out yung mga technicalities and everything, and we came out with this prize. You deserve it.
Well deserved.
Alright?
Do not give up.